Remember, you want to use as few points as possible. And one of the things about the pen tool is you can't necessarily get all of the detail. Cutting out hair, nasty, not going to work too well. The little fuzzy bits along the outside here, don't try to get every tiny little bit of fuzz, but the general curves, follow your way around. When you get to the paws, the beads are going to be an interesting one. There's a very specific thing for the beads. There's a lot of curves in there, and that's really what the pen tool is good for, getting those sweeping, flowing curves. Oh, you know what, guys? There's something that I didn't show you, and that's how to break arms. How many people know how to break arms? It's a tough industry you're getting into. Watch this. I'm trying to get around the ear here, and remember how the arm on the left is attached to the arm on the right, okay? So let's say I've gone all the way around the cat and I come down to these beads over here. Pretend I've done a good job on the cat, I haven't. But when I get to the beads, and then I go, okay, so now I got to do a little click and a curve around. Now, to do this next bead, I'm going to do a click and a drag. Uh-oh, we got a problem. See how this curve, because this point has a handle, it boom, shoots off this direction. The resulting curve is going to fire off this direction as well. I need this handle to come up to here so that I can get this curve. Watch what happens when I move this handle. There we go. Now I got a curve on that handle, and we're, uh-oh, when I moved this side, the other side also moved. I need to break this arm. Watch. Remember the convert point tool? Hold down the option key. When you first hold option, looks like nothing happened until you hover over either a point or the little handle. I'm going to hover over this handle and watch what happens when I move the arm. Ha ha! I broke it. See that? Before, it was connected to the arm on the other side. By using the convert point tool, I can snap, break the arm. And like I said, this is a tough industry you're getting into. If you're not afraid to break a few arms to get what you want, and after you've broken the arm, go back to the command key to get that direct select so you're not breaking too many arms.